Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be sharing it with you it's a gift that I received from Louis Vuitton. I think from time to time I receive magazines from Louis Vuitton, and each time I receive a magazine from them, it just makes me so excited. And this is what I got from this here. I got this from the mail. It's right there, Louis Vuitton, New York, New York. And this is how it looks right here. When I got this, I said, oh my gosh, I got a magazine, an updated magazine from Louis Vuitton. And I don't know why, but it just makes me feel so excited when I receive it is a surprise present though, it is. So anyway, let me show you what I've got. And I guess last year at the store, they are actually giving away a magazine. If I'm not mistaken, I think in number 12. I'm not sure about it. But this time, this is what I got. It is the book 200. So it actually says there 200 because Louis Vuitton turns 200 years old. It's right there. So this is a closer look of the magazine. So if you're going to ask me on how to get a hands on these, I have no idea because I received this on the mail. So maybe if you put their subscribe on their mail or something, then they will send you a magazine from time to time. So anyway, let me open this. And wow, there is a special message. And right here, very nice. It's the trunk right there with the flowers. And right there, Louis Vuitton. Dear Miss, it isn't every day that you turn 200. That is how old Louis Vuitton would have been this year. For the bicentenary of his birth, we have decided to share his life story, the incredible journey of the young man born in the heart of the Jura forest is brought to life in this edition of the book. From those humble beginnings through today, the book explores the driving passions of our founder, which still guide us: exceptional materials, commitment to craftsmanship, and the spirit of travel. I am excited to share his wonderful adventure, and I hope it inspires your continued journey through the world of Louis Vuitton. Sincerely, Lanessa Elrod, CEO, Louis Vuitton Americas. Wow, very nice. I love the note. And it has got my name right there. So this one makes it so special. So now let me show you the book itself. Let's open it. Right there. It's actually embossed. The 200 is embossed, as you can see at the back right there. And the spirit of travel. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of what's inside. I know there are actually collectors right there who wanted to collect, who likes to collect their Louis Vuitton magazine. So you might want to reach out with your essay regarding this magazine. And I really like it. I do love it. It's very interesting. It is not just a photo. It just tells you everything right there. I have a book like that, the L'Audacio book right there. Wow, very nice. This is such an interesting magazine, guys. Yeah, if you get a chance or get an opportunity to get one of these, you might want to ask or request. So this is a really nice magazine for this year, for 200 years. Really nice collector's piece. Very colorful. Right there. Wow. Love it. Right there. So this is the one that I got from the mail. And as you guys have noticed, I also have another one right here. This one is when I purchased a book online. So I purchased a book online. It is a travel guide book. And I'm also surprised I got this. It is an envelope. Very nice. The envelope is really nice for this piece. I don't know, for some reason I was like, what did it include in here? But anyway, it is also the magazine as well. So right now, I got this online when I purchased something, and then the other one is actually were sent to me personally, because I've got my name right there and everything. So I really like the personalized one. So yeah, this is just, I got this online. They included this in one of my Louis Vuitton purchases. So I'm not sure. Maybe if you buy a book, a travel book, you will get this. I'm not sure. Or if you would buy like any of the goods or stuff from them, they will include this. I'm not 100% sure, and I could not confirm that. So yeah, if you receive one of these from your online purchase, please let me know, so that I would know that maybe if you buy a clothing, or if you buy a small leather goods or books, then they will include one of this. But as far as I know, I bought a travel book and they include this one. And this one is mailed to me. So yeah, that's just pretty much on how I acquire this book 200. I love it. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.